Hey guys, it's Friday. I just got into work, so I'm gonna get everything set up, and my first appointment will be here shortly. Alright guys, it is the end of the day. I poured myself a nice little glass of wine because I'm freaking beat. Today was a long day. I mean, it's like almost 8 p.m. Not too bad, but I just felt like I'm ready for the weekend today. I mean, it's going to be the weekend. It's basically the weekend right now, but I'm ready for my weekend, which is my days off on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. So tomorrow I have fun nails to do again. Every day's like fun nails, but like I get excited for some appointments more than others because it's like some people are just like, I don't care what you put on my nails. So like I get to be really creative with that, which brings me a lot of joy. Nails in general bring me a lot of joy too, whatever. But you get what I'm saying. It is the end of the night. It's like 8 p.m. I'm freaking tired as heck. So I'm going to clean up here, finish my wine, and head on home. Hey guys, what's up? I am just popping on here to say that Angelica is the best. She literally lets me do whatever to her nails. She does not care. This is the first time that we're doing a pointed shape on her though. That's one thing she doesn't particularly like. But today we were trying something so different that I have never even tried before. So I don't know if you've ever seen those claw, like cat claw, animal claw type of nails. We're doing that today. I haven't practiced. I haven't tried it ever before. So today, Angelica was my guinea pig, and I mean, I'm not too mad. I'm not too mad at how it's going. Like, I mean, I'm trying. Here's how it looked after I got all the gel on. Like, okay, we see the vision. It's coming along. Here's after it's shaved, and I'm not mad at it. Like, I would like to do these again. I probably wouldn't do these all the time because I need a tutorial, I need a class, I need someone to teach me how to really get a really good claw. Because there's like so many artists out there that create this look, but no one shows you how to truly do it and get that same look. So, you know, I guess practice, but yeah, no, these are really cool to do. I could not get the piercing on this nail. Like you see my thumb and my pointer finger. I had to cut down my nails to try to get that ball screwed on because, oh my gosh, yeah, it was a struggle. Oh my gosh, this one went on so much easier. Hey, hey, hey.
That should be your tagline, low-key.
What?
The client I blocked on TikTok is showed up.
No, I should say something.
No, I think it would be hilarious.
All right, y'all. Let me explain. So, Ash found me on TikTok, right? And she sent me a message, and I got back to her. And then she sent me another message. I think I got back. And then she sent me a few more messages. And I don't really conduct business on TikTok. I use it, but I just kind of post and like look at things and have fun on there. So I had so many messages, and I was just like, you know, I don't have an assistant or anything, so I get overwhelmed sometimes when I get like a lot of messages. And she didn't message me like crazy, but I just ended up blocking. Like, I don't know. I was just in a mood, and I was like, block. And anyways, so I get a message on Instagram. I didn't pick up on who was who, right? And it wasn't a big deal because I didn't block her because of her. Like, I just blocked because it's like, I just don't want all these messages on my TikTok. So she freaking comes into her nail appointment with me. We're talking, we're vibing. And at the very end of her appointment, she was like, yeah, I think you blocked me on TikTok. And I immediately knew who she, because I really... I was like, I just did this not too long, like weeks ago. And throughout the appointment, she was like, yeah, like I've reached out to nail techs. Either they didn't get back to me or they're fully booked or whatever. And I'm like, oh, you know, that kind of sucks. And at the very end, she tells me this. And my jaw, I think, was on the floor, like below the floor, under the ground. Like, yeah, it's funny. But she's super cool. And I felt so bad. Like, I hate to block people. But, you know, like, it's overwhelming sometimes to get a bunch of messages from like people every day online, and like, you know, I don't know. It's like, do better, Brittany. Do better. And that was my wake up call. That's all.
You want a photo?
She destroyed her nails. Doesn't know how to take care of her nails. Let me know if I should ban.
What?
Hey guys, it is Saturday. I have one more appointment and then I am off. I'm freaking tired. My last appointment is running like 10 minutes late, so it gives me about 15 minutes to just kind of chill, which is nice. I'll do some things, get some things done for the day that I would do later. My appointment this morning cut down my nails because I couldn't apply that freaking little like jewelry piece. So yeah, so I'm gonna clean up and get ready for this appointment. All right, we made it. I made it to the end of the week. And yeah, I don't know if I mentioned already in this video, probably did. It's been a long week. I think just because I just wanted to get to my day off this week, just to rest, relax, get outside, walk with my dog and stuff. But it was a fun week. Great nail appointments. I love just sitting and chatting with people, listening. Long days. It's like 8 p.m. right now. So like I mentioned, my last appointment came a little later. So I was able to go ahead and get cleaned up. I actually had 30 minutes to spare, so I got a lot done with that time. So I was able to just get a lot of things cleaned up. I still have to like break down some boxes, put some trash together into a bigger bag and take that out and get some things organized in here. There's always something to do. Yeah, but a good week. Nails are super cute. Yeah, so we've reached 2 weeks here in the new space, and it has been going well. It's been nice. It feels cozy. It feels warm. I'm just happy and like blessed to be able to work every day and have something of my own. Like, it's just kind of crazy for me to think like 2.5 years ago I was just working out of my apartment. Like, wasn't even supposed to be doing that. I probably had like 10 clients, if that, and now I have a fully booked schedule. I went through slow season this year. It wasn't a slow season for me, so I'm like, wow, like, it's kind of crazy. Like, I never thought that I would be here how I am, and like I still feel like I'm nowhere. And that's one reason why I hate posting videos or sharing anything about my business, because I'm like, I'm nowhere near where I want to be. And I really am somewhere, so that's kind of cool. And everyone measures success differently, so whatever. But you know, we're our own worst critics. We're the ones that are like the hardest on ourselves. So yeah, no, I feel like, wow, it's nice to sit here at the end of the day and just look around that all my hard work has paid off. Like, I don't know if you guys have listened to my podcast that I created, but I mentioned, I think one of my first uploads was about burnout. And so like the past year of me doing nails it's been a hard year. Like, a lot of burnout. Like, I would be good for 1 minute and then like give it 2 more weeks and I'm like exhausted, hating what I was doing. I saw all of the negatives in the job that I created for myself, and it just wasn't okay. So I'm happy to be out of that. Despite all of the burnout that I've had this past year, or somewhat negative feelings towards my career, the past couple of months I have felt so good about everything. Like, this is why I think it's important to do a job that you love. Choose something that you wake up and you enjoy doing. Even, I mean, no matter what we're doing, we're all kind of like, yeah, we have our days where we don't feel like doing this, whatever. But when I come into work and I sit with the girls that come in here, it's like, they remind me of like why I do what I do. So it sounds so corny, but like, I'll have a bad day and I'm driving into work and I'm like, I don't want to do this today. Like, I gotta be on my A game, like, but I'm really not feeling it. And as soon as I walk in, I'm like, wow, like, I'm seeing so-and-so. I can't wait to hear about so-and-so's update. They have this big thing going on, or they just here to, they hype me up, or they just like to talk about something, you know, sweet and nice, or we watch a movie together. Like, it's nice. And then I'm like, I get to do awesome nails. So there's so many fun things about what I do to let like negative things come in and destroy that. And anywho, I'm not burnt out anymore. Like, I've been doing nails for over 5 years, but consistently working in my area, like working from a salon and working on my own, like, it's been like 2.5, maybe going on 3 years, not very long. So when you are accomplishing a lot in such a short period of time and then taking on multiple roles and things, like, it's tough. No one tells you that. Especially when you get into nails, you think, like, I guess like any beauty related job, you see how fun it looks, how creative it can be, how much fun you can have with your clients and bonding and talking, and it's just like a regular day, but you throw some work in. But there's really like the glitz and glam part is like so minimal compared to like what you have to do each day on the back end. And like, I didn't really realize that I'm not so much of a people person. Well, now I am, but I haven't been like such a people person before in my life. And I haven't had a ton of patience, and I'm more introverted. So doing this job, just in that aspect, has taken a huge toll on me. I've learned how to adjust, and it's helped me grow. Like, love that I chose this path in life. It's helped me grow so much as a person in that way. But yeah, you throw in some, you know, admin work there, some business things, marketing, you know, just staying on top of things, scheduling, cleaning, and basic stuff like that, and then taking care of all of the big things for your business, and then setting goals, setting plans, 5 month, you know, goal, 6 months goal, 1 year, and all that type of stuff. Like, it's a lot. And I encourage anyone to, if they're serious, I always say, like, go for it, why not? But like, it's not just painting and having fun. Like, it's a lot of hard work, but with all that hard work, all that to say, it pays off. What you put into something is what you're going to get back, no matter what whatever you're doing. What energy you put out into the universe is going to come back to you. So yeah, I'm rambling at the end of the day. Just sitting here relaxing. You guys can't really see anything outside of this space. Like, I should put some decorations or lights or something. I have those little squiggly lights I can put back here. We have a lot of work to do. We have a lot of things. I'm just kind of excited to be in the space, and then also, like, I have my desk tripod set up right here right now, like, just recording throughout each appointment. I want to vlog, I want to create videos for other things, and just have fun while I'm working, and then have my little side projects to do. I really enjoy using social media and having like an online community. So just to be able to be more consistent with that would be amazing. And as long as I don't get too overworked and overwhelmed because of my own choices, then I'll be able to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean up, close out, head home, and enjoy my day off. So bye guys.